अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर साइंस पार्ट 2 का यानी सेकंड ईयर कंप्यूटर साइंस का मॉडल पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे जो हैदराबाद बोर्ड ने पब्लिश किया है। पेपर की टाइम ड्यूरेशन जो होगी वो 2 आवर्स होगी और टोटल मार्क्स 75 हैं। सेक्शन ए में हमारे पास मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 37 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होंगे, उसके लिए मार्क्स भी 37 हैं। Question number 1. Choose the correct answer for each from the given option. Each multiple choice question carry 1 mark. Number 1. C language is a dash level language. A. Low. B. Machine. C. High. D. None of these. Correct option is C. High level language. Number 2. C language has been developed by A. Dennis Ritchie, B. Bill Gates, C. Windows, D. Intel Corporation. Correct answer is A. Dennis Ritchie. Number 3. All C language programs consists of one or more A. Arrays, B. String, C. For loop, D. Function. Correct answer is D. Functions. Number 4. All C language statement must end with a colon, B semicolon, C right brace, D full stop. Correct answer is B semicolon. Number 5. Dash can be read by humans but are ignored by compiler and linker in C. A. Arrays, B. Pointers, C. Comments, D. Printf. Correct answer is C. Comments. Number 6. Which of the following is an arithmetic operator in C language? A. Address operator, B. AND operator, C. Less than operator, D. Plus operator. The arithmetic operator is D plus. Number 7. Unary operator require dash operands A1, B2, C3, D4. Correct answer is A1. Number 8. A dash is used to translate a C program into machine language code. A. Interpreter, B. Compiler, C. Axle, D. While loop. Correct answer is B. Compiler. Number 9. A relational operator is used to A. Combine values, B. Initialize a constant, C. Compare values, D. Multiply values. Correct answer is C. Compare values. Number 10. Data type float occupies dash bytes in memory. A 3, B 2, C 1, D 4. Correct answer is D 4. Number 11. The precedence of logical operator is dash then the relational operator. A high, B low, C same, D very high. Correct answer is B low. Number 12. The format specifier %C is used to print A string, B long integer, C character, D float. Correct answer is C character. Number 13. The precedence rule determines which operation A is used first, B is the most important, C is fastest, D is slowest. Correct answer is A is used first. Number 14. In the statement answer equals to 13 modulus 5, the variable answer assigned the value A6, B3, C4, D2. Correct answer is B3. Number 15. The function gets the input a dash without waiting for enter key press. A string, B character, C integer, D name. Correct answer is A string. Number 16. The do while loop is uses A pre-testing, B post-testing, C immediate testing, D none of these. Correct answer is B post-testing. Number 17. A one-dimensional array is sometimes called A tables, B matrices, C contiguous list, D Unix. Correct answer is C contiguous list. Number 18. A function that call itself is a dash function. A good, B bad, C recursive, D right. Correct answer is C recursive. Number 19. A dash variable is known only within the function in which it is defined. A global, B wrong, C local, D both A and C. The correct answer is local. Number 20. In IDE of Turbo C, dash key is used to compile source file of C program to object file. A Alt plus F9, B Alt plus F3, C Control plus F3, D F6. Correct answer is A Alt plus F9. 21. A string is a list of numbers, B an array of characters, C a acceleration of characters, D integer. Correct answer is B an array of characters. Number 22. A dash statement is used in switch for immediate exit from the structure. A for, B string, C clear screen, D break. Correct answer is D break. Number 23. A dash is a pictorial representation of logic used in computer program. A debugging, B flowchart, C variable, D main. Correct answer is B flowchart. Number 24. A source file of Turbo C program has dash extension a.obj, b.c, c.exe, d.java. Correct answer is b.c. Number 25. An if condition written within the body of an other if statement. This is called A looping, B nesting, C break, D continue. The correct answer is B nesting. Number 26. A dash is used to separate the three parts of the loop expression in a for loop. A comma, B semicolon, C continue, D left brace. Correct answer is B semicolon. Number 27. While loop and do while loop are used for dash repetition. A fixed number of time, B indefinite, C last, D none of these. Correct answer is D none of these. Number 28. Dash are identifiers whose value do not change during program execution. A constant, B variable, C words, D macro. Correct answer is A constant. Number 29. The statement int num is an example of A string declaration, B array declaration, C loop declaration, D variable definition. Correct answer is D, variable declaration. Number 30, dash is a escape sequence used for new line. /t, /n, /r, /f. Correct answer is B/n. Number 31, dash is known as increment operator. A plus, B minus minus, C plus plus, D slash. Correct answer is C plus plus. Number 32. The dash performs certain action when the condition is true. Otherwise, the action is skipped. A if statement, B variable, C operator, D string. Correct answer is A if statement. Number 33. An identifier cannot contain A letter, B digit, C underscore, D blank space. Correct answer is D blank space. Number 34. Dash is not a data type in Turbo C. A integer, B float, C string, D character. Correct answer is C string. Number 35. The braces, also known as A loop, B delimiters, C function, D escape sequence. Correct answer is B delimiters. Number 36. The subdirectory include contain dash file. A exe file, B header file, C trash files, D source files. Correct answer is B header files. Number 37. The IDE stands mean in Turbo C. A integrated development system, B Intel development system, C inter development system, D none. करेक्ट आंसर इज नन. अब हम सेक्शन बी को सॉल्व करेंगे. सेक्शन बी के टोटल मार्क्स जो हैं 24 हैं. नोट अटेम्प्ट एनी 6 of the following questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Question number 2. Define main function in C language. Answer is question number 3. Explain use of format specifiers in C language. Answer is question number 4. Define if statement in C language and write syntax or general format for if statement. Answer is question number 5. What is difference between a variable and a constant? Answer is question number 6. What is array? Define general structure of one-dimensional array. Answer is Question number 7. What is syntax error? Answer is question number 8. What is function in C language? Name the type of functions in C language. Answer is question number 9. Write a computer program in C language that print numbers from 1 to 20 by using for loop. Answer is question number 10. What is an operator? Describe relational operators. Question number 11. Write a program in C that display the message Welcome to BISE Hyderabad on the screen. Answer is अब हम सेक्शन सी को सॉल्व करेंगे। सेक्शन सी के जो हमें आंसर देने होंगे वो डिस्क्रिप्टिव देने होंगे, इट मीन्स डिटेल में हमें आंसर देना होगा। और सेक्शन सी के जो मार्क्स हैं वो हैं 14। नोट, आंसर एनी two of the following question. Each question carry 7 marks. Question number 12. Name and describe the data types in C language. Answer is question number 13. Write a computer program in C language that convert age in days from years. Use scanf function. Answer is question number 14. Write note any two of the following. A. Escape sequences. B. Nested loop. C. The switch statement. Answer is